A joint investigation by a London-based multidisciplinary research group and a Palestinian rights group has uncovered further evidence that refutes Israel's account that the killing of veteran Al Jazeera journalist Abu Akleh was a mistake. Forensic architecture said that Abu Akleh's killing was deliberate. Abu Akleh, who was known as the Voice of Palestine, was shot in the head and killed by Israeli forces on May 11 while she was covering an army raid in the Jenin refugee camp in the occupied West Bank. The probe examined the Israeli sniper's precise angle of fire, and concluded that the sniper was able to clearly tell that there were journalists in the area. It also ruled out the possibility of confrontations between Israeli forces and Palestinians in Jenin at the time of the attack. The sniper shot 3 times, releasing 6 bullets the first time, then after 8 seconds, 7 more. One of these bullets was the one that killed Abu Akleh, hitting her just under her helmet. 2 minutes later, the sniper shot 3 more bullets, to stop efforts to rescue her. Multiple investigations carried out by the United Nations, Israeli and Palestinian human rights organizations, and leading news outlets have concluded that Abu Akleh was killed by an Israeli soldier.